$32,500 in 30 days with Prosperity People System. Hey, it's Dan Froelke here. I'm just out and about running some errands here today. I thought I'd shoot a little quick intro video for the video that you're watching right now. I want to talk about my exclusive team bonuses. Now, these bonuses are incredible, and I want you to stick with me. This is going to be very short video, but it's very important. If you are looking at Prosperity People System, well, look no further, because this is the team, this is the sponsor, and all the bonuses right here on this video. Now, I have a lot of things that I put in place, but I just put the finishing touches on a team training site, and this is incredible. I worked actually all week on it, and so again, I put the finishing touches on it. It's ready to go. Anyone who joins me is going to get access to my team training site. 3 very simple steps to get started. You don't have to worry about any learning curves or anything like that. 3 very simple steps. It has all my training resources and my traffic resources. So, you know, I had a great July. Over $32,000, and the month of August here is looking even better. So I'm really excited. I'm excited for people who join me. And here's the deal. All the bonuses that you're going to receive from me, like my training site, those are going to be yours to give to your members as well. So that way, when people join you, you're not holding their hand. You have to help them set anything up. All they're going to do is get this training website, and they're ready to go. 3 very easy steps, and they're all up and running. So I want to run home right now. I want to jump on the computer because I've got some other exclusive team bonuses for you when you decide to join me in this awesome high ticket business. Now, I'm no stranger to high ticket. I absolutely love high ticket. I've been in the high ticket kind of niche here for a long time, and what I really like about it, it only takes 2 or 3 sales per month to make life-changing income, and that is the truth right there. So anyway, I'm going to jump back home. I'll get on the computer and I will show you all my Prosperity People System team bonuses. All right, welcome back. Now, before I get to my bonuses, I want to share with you something very special that comes right from Prosperity People System, right from the company. Now, they've got their own 48-hour action taker bonuses. All right, and this is it right here. So here's what's going to happen. Here's how you can take advantage of these incredible bonuses right here from the company. Now, when you watch the 14-minute video, all right, and you contact a success coach within 48 hours, you are going to get 1 full level upgrade. These upgrades are going to start at the $1,500 level or higher. For example, when you join at the $1,500 level, you're going to get an upgrade to the $3,500 level, and that's a $2,000 bonus. And when you join at the $3,500 level, you're going to get 1 full level upgrade to the $7,500 level, and that's a $4,000 value. Okay, that's incredible right there. Now, from my experience, most people right now are joining at the $3,500 level or the $7,500 level. And when you join at the $7,500 level, you're going to get a full level upgrade to the $11,000 level all the way up the top. That's a $3,500 bonus. When you join at the $11,000 level, you're going to make and keep 100% of every sale from day one on all levels. Plus, you're going to receive a $1,000 ad campaign all set up for you. Now, let's get to my exclusive team bonuses. Now, all of these bonuses are going to start at the $1,500 level on up, okay? So here's what you're going to get first. You're going to get my personal one-on-one help and ongoing coaching. First, we're going to start out with the initial 30-minute coaching call in marketing strategy session. You're also going to get access, and this is what I talked to you about a little bit ago, my exclusive team members area. And again, I just put the finishing touches on that this morning. I've been working all week on it. I've got step-by-step video tutorials in there. There's 3 easy steps, okay? How to set your system up in 3 easy step And this site includes my personal traffic resources and other bonuses. And this is actually going to be a work in progress. I'm going to keep adding to this every single week. And your members can have access to this too, and that is an awesome thing, because when someone joins you, you don't have to hold their hand, you don't have to set anything up for them. All you have to do is give them access to this members area, and they will get the same step by step, easy steps, only 3 steps to set your system up. So there's no need for screen share or any of that nonsense. You will also get access to my exclusive team marketing portal, where you can have access to our completely hands-free, done-for-you traffic packages. Okay, we've got postcard marketing and SMS text marketing. Now, I've teamed up with a company called Marketing Systems Integrated. These guys have been around a long time and specialize in business opportunity marketing using their print and mail services and SMS text marketing. Now, they've created a special website for our team with special pricing where you can order their services. This is exclusive to our team, and then you can share it with people who join you as well. Okay, you see how much value you're going to give people who join you. That's really important when you look at my bonuses. Very, very important. And they even designed a special postcard for our team. Now, I'm really excited about this next bonus right here, because when you join me at the $1,500 level on up, you will have access to my #1 small ticket business at the $500 level. Okay, it's called Instant Cash Solution. I've been involved with Instant Cash Solution for over a year and a half now. I am the top earner, I'm the top sponsor, and it is an incredible small ticket business where you can earn $100, $200, $300, and even $500 instant commissions, instant 100% commissions. And this is yours absolutely free at the $500 level. And you're going to learn simple copy and paste marketing methods. All right, it's a complete business in a box, and all training and other bonuses I have along with it are included with this special bonus for people on my Prosperity People Systems team. Now, here's the thing that you have to understand. It's very important to have a small ticket business alongside of your high ticket business. Okay, because here's why. Now, oftentimes a person will say, "Hey Dan, I really don't have the money to get into Prosperity People Systems." And I'll say, "Hey, that's fine. Let's start out with Instant Cash Solution first." Okay, so here's what happens. So they're going to join me in that, and I'm a good sponsor. They start to make money with ICS, and then they're going to scale up to my high ticket business. And that's my business model right there. Okay, I start them out with Instant Cash Solution. That's my small ticket business. I'm a good sponsor, and they start to make some sales, and then they're more apt to join me in my high ticket business. Okay, so that is something valuable right here. And to be honest with you, this bonus alone could mean thousands of dollars in your pocket every single month. And I have some free marketing campaigns for you, because I really want to help you. I want to help you jumpstart your business. Okay, so join me at the silver level. That's the $1,500 level. You're going to receive a 25,000 text blast from me. I'm going to give you a jump start. You will get some great quality leads out of that 25,000 text blast. Join me at the gold level. That's the $3,500 level, and you will receive a 1,000 mailer postcard campaign right from me. And I just recently started mailing postcards again, and I'm really excited about the response that I'm getting. Join me at the platinum level. That's the $7,500 level. You will receive a 2,500 mailer postcard campaign directly from me to jumpstart your business. And join me at the diamond level. That's the $11,000 level. You will receive a 5,000 mailer postcard campaign right from me. All right, now how do you like those bonuses? I really put a lot of things in place this time to help people on my team. And again, I keep saying this, but I love to make money at the service of others rather than at the expense of others. Now, if you are serious in having me show you how this is done, all I want you to do is scroll down and click that link in the description of this video, handsfreeprofits.com, and I want you to watch the entire 14-minute video that explains all about this amazing high-ticket business opportunity, prosperity, people, systems. So again, I want you to go to handsfreeprofits.com. Now, at the end of this video, there's going to be my review on prosperity, people, systems. I want you to watch that. You're going to get a lot more information out of that review as well. I go through everything, okay? The products, the compensation plan, all that stuff. So that video is going to be right at the end of this one right here. Okay, so thanks for watching my video on my exclusive team bonuses.